Tired of having to stop and pick up a dictionary every time you come across a new word? Well, there is a pain-free way to look up words if you're learning with our learning system. It's called the Audio Dictionary. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. What is the Audio Dictionary? The Audio Dictionary is our free on-site dictionary with audio pronunciation, and you'll find it in the vocabulary drop-down menu or by hovering over the search icon in the top right corner of the site. Just type or paste in any word you want to look up. The dictionary gives you the meaning, transliteration, and audio pronunciation. Best of all, it's available to all users, so if you're a member, you already have access. How to look up words without sidelining your learning. Now, let's talk about how to look up words without sidelining your learning. I don't know about you, but when I'm learning, stopping everything to grab a dictionary every single time I find a new word can get frustrating, especially if there are a lot of new words. That's where the Audio Dictionary comes in. So how does it work? Well, if you're taking a lesson on the site, you can just hover over the search icon, type or paste in the word, and get the meaning without having to stop or leave the lesson. How to save and master words for good. We know it's easy to forget the new words you learn, and that's why the Audio Dictionary connects with your word bank, so you can send words from the dictionary to the word bank. Think of the word bank as your extended brain. It's where you can save keywords and phrases for later. And how it works is, while you're reviewing words, just select the ones you want to save and click Add Selected Words to Word Bank at the bottom. And it's not just for storage. You can use the Word Bank to review your words with a slideshow or even create printable vocabulary lists, which is pretty cool. Just export your words as a PDF or click on the printer-friendly option and print. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.